Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thank you for joining us. We really appreciate you guys. Thank you for leaving comments and letting us know who we should draw next. We got lots of requests for this next football superstar. Well, not quite a superstar yet in the NFL, but a college football superstar for sure. Today's drawing is going to be J.J. McCarthy, quarterback for the Minnesota Vikings. Brand new rookie. He was the 10th pick overall to the Vikings this year. He's 6'3", 219 pounds, played for the Michigan Wolverines in college. He was the Big Ten Quarterback of the Year in 2023, national champ as a junior, has a winning record of 27 wins and 1 loss, which is a record for the highest winning percentage in Division I football history. So JJ McCarthy, let's get started. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. Let us know who we should draw next. Find the center of your page up and the center of your page across, then move up here and we will do the big JJ McCarthy head right there. I got my dark marker, pointed tip. What we're gonna do is we're gonna do a big arch, kind of a U shape for the jaw and chin. So go down to a chin, come across and up like a U, okay? On the side of the head, we'll do a couple of ovals for ears. Now we're gonna quickly do he's got, according to his pictures, he's got some big hair. So we're gonna go up and out to the top, down, out, and down, okay? Let's do his hair right here. We'll go up, kind of a couple swoops there, come up to the part of his hair, make it curl, and then down. Awesome. Let's do a couple of sideways ovals for eyes. There's 1 and 2. We'll do a circle, outline it in black, leave the inside of that circle white. That's the highlight of the eye. Now I'm going to get a light blue marker. JJ McCarthy has blue eyes, so we're going to outline this black with a blue color. Okay, I'm just outlining that black with the blue. Put that blue marker away. Find the center of the face. We'll do a dot. That'll be the middle of the nose. We'll go up and up. Sideways arches for the nostrils. Follow the middle and come down and make a dot. That'll be the middle of the lip. Go up and down and up. Up, down, and up. He's smiling. That's kind of like a big bird. Come in a little bit, go down, straight across, and up. Okay, the corner of the mouth on the inside, we always do a little dark. Make a line and color the mouth in with the dark. We'll leave the teeth. A line on the side of the mouth, a line on the side of the mouth because he's smiling. A little line underneath for the lip. A swoop from each nostril. He's got a big smiley face, so we'll leave that as is. We're going to do the neck. Line down, come down to a point, and then up. We'll do the shoulder pads. Bump out, bring it down to the armpit, bring it down to the armpit, and then curve down to the waist, straight across, curve up, and connect to the armpit. All right, let's do the legs. Come down, curve up, come down, and curve up to the hip. On the side, has this, not a flag, a towel that he uses on the side of his hip to dry his hands. If it's raining, keep that ball nice and grippy. We'll do a big football over here. So draw that big rounded arch. Connect another big rounded arch to a point. There's your football. He's got 1, 2, 3, 4 circle fingers. And his arm bump from underneath the shoulder pad, and then it hides kind of behind that football. Over here, we'll do another bump, bump, and the long arm kind of bumps out and then goes skinny toward the wrist. Do a thumb, curve to a finger, and connect to the wrist. We'll do another finger behind there. He's got this will be colored in black. This is like a wrist, a sweatband. And we'll do some legs now. Start high at the knee, curve down toward the ankle, and it gets skinnier as you go toward the ankle. Curve down toward the ankle, get skinny at the ankle, and connect. Let's do the shoes. We got a bump up. That's the tongue of the shoe. We're gonna make them come big, oversized kind of clown shoes. 1, 2, 3 bumps, shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. Bring it out, the toe, come down. Straight line across to the heel area. Stop at the heel. Connect that heel to the leg. Okay. Bring this heel down. Same thing, we're gonna draw a straight line to the edge of the page on this side. Curve that toe up and connect to the shoelace. There we go. Looking good, looking good. All right, so right now I'm gonna put the dark marker away. We're gonna get our purple Minnesota Vikings color. I'm gonna get the pointed tip. We're gonna do the number 9. I'll try to go slow, but if you need to pause for the number 9, go for it. All right, the numbers are kind of challenging sometimes. So we'll do a straight line, curve down, curve in, curve down, over, up, straight across, down, cross, all the way to the top, and then curve that corner in to connect. Now inside here, we got a big square. There we go, number 9. And over here, we got some stripes. So I'm gonna go straight across. Same over here, straight across. And we're gonna angle down diagonal. Angle down diagonal. And come in straight across. There we go. And down here we have a purple stripe on the pants. Purple stripe on the pants. We're gonna leave a gap and do another purple stripe on the outside of the pants. That gap will be filled with yellow. Just a second here. Okay. We do a line, line in the middle, line, line, and this is gonna be filled with purple. And scribble that in. There we go. Now I'm gonna do a little purple stripe on the shoe. Bring that Vikings color clear down there. Who's excited to see JJ McCarthy? Are you a believer? Is he gonna be awesome for the Vikings or no? Let us know what you think in the comments. So we got our yellow marker. We're gonna do the bottom of this stripe yellow. Okay, and we're gonna leave that top section white, okay? And right here, we're gonna come in and do a yellow right in between those two purples. And we're gonna leave those pants white. Maybe we'll do a yellow right there. Okay, cool. Now, JJ McCarthy's hair, we'll kind of do a, let's see here. Let's do a, we'll go yellow for now. Let's get our yellow marker back. I'm just gonna color in yellow and then we'll come over some of these hair marks with our dark brown. He's got curly hair, so I'm gonna start with this yellow, fill in his hair with kind of a dark yellow color. Okay, just kind of fill that in. There we go. Now that looks kind of boring, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get maybe a little bit of a darker, kind of a brown. This is called dark yellow, but we'll start in the middle here at the part. We'll go swoop. We'll come over here, we'll go swoop up for some curls. Swoop up for some curls. It's got these curls coming around. We'll color the area down by his ear a little darker with this brown. Do the bangs, outline them here with the brown. Make some more curls. See how that works? Okay. Now, I'm gonna do flesh color, purple jersey, leave the pants white, brown football, white socks, and then we'll color in the stripes. So here we have J.J. McCarthy, rookie quarterback for the Minnesota Vikings. Let us know what you think. Let us know who we should draw next, and subscribe. We'd like to see those subscriber numbers go up. Helps us know that you guys like this channel and that we should keep doing this. So fast forward now.